Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Shivakumar with you. Today, I am going to teach you how to do equity shares intraday. And this video is not aimed for intraday trade only, not for positional calls. That is a separate study. And if you look at this normal candlesticks, you will never be able to know what has happened yesterday's closing and how to trade, where to enter, and we have to use some old techniques. And at last, you have only a 50-50 chance to win. But if you use this footprint chart, the story will be entirely different. And we are using the techniques of imbalance plus the data derived from the bar statistics. And about imbalance and bar statistics, please refer to my old videos. And for intraday buying signal, study my old videos. I will not explain every time. Kindly subscribe my videos and share it with the others, please. Okay. The first job is to draw the previous day imbalance areas. I will draw for sale the imbalance. There is a buying imbalance area here. Okay. And for Zomato, I have taken another thing. Zomato is on a sell node. Okay. So I will draw that imbalance, selling imbalance, red color, left side. These are all selling imbalances. And this drawing will be there in the chart before starting your morning trade. And normally we will take a position only after 9:30 candle closes. And our condition should be satisfied. Then only we will take a trade. So wait patiently up to 9:20 candle, 25 candle to complete this in a 5-minute time span. Okay, we will go to sale. And a sale opened here, and this is a crucial level 1099.29, and this is the previous day closing imbalances, buying imbalances. Okay, see the first 5 minutes, it has a volume of 781,000, and delta is green, max delta in the white area, and min delta also in white area. It's neutral, and also we will enter only after 9:30 and see what has happened after that. 9:20, 9:25, 9:30 candle, and there is no buying signal here. And the 9:25 candle, there is a selling imbalances as well as a buying imbalance equal. Okay. Then next, but we have no buying signal here. Then next, no buying signal here. Okay. And here there is a selling imbalance. See, against this buying, and this much of quantity has been sold over here, and it closed the lower level of the morning and the previous day closing buying imbalances. Then don't buy this share now. We need a clear signal, no, here. Then only we will buy. See, after closing this imbalance area, it gone down drastically from 110 to 108 level. So 2 point. That means almost 2% reduced within 10 minutes. Then the next candle, we have no buying and no buying, no buying, and here we got a buying. And it is a very big candle, and it has closed above this imbalance area. This imbalance area is a support as well as a resistance, and this resistance has broken with a decent volume. See, 100 against 173,000, we have 804,000, and our delta is very good, and our max delta also supporting. So we will take a position somewhere here, okay, and we can wait for a retracement up to here. Exactly, it came. What is retracement and everything? I will tell you. I will explain it later. Or otherwise, if you can buy from here also, no problem. It will go up. Your stop loss will be 110, and your entry price is 11,111.35. Let's see what has happened later. See, it has gone up, and our entry price, maximum entry price is 11,111.30, and we have got a 112.70. That is 1 rupee 40 paise. Almost more than 1%. No? 1.25% is there. What is the time span? 5, 10, 15. And we have to wait patiently up to this level, no? At least the preceding red candle top. That is a good area as per our strategy to enter. Okay. Sometimes in this case now, in these breakouts, retracement without taking the retracement, no, it will go up sharply. So if you have no patience, you can buy it at 111.30, and three candles, it has gone up to 112.70, and we got a buy here. Then after that, what has happened? See, our stop loss is here only 110. Then again it has gone up. It has gone up to 113.32 and came down. And see, again it has tested these levels and gone up to 114. What is your entry price? Your entry price is, assuming the highest price, what, 111.30, and the high of the day is 115.16. Okay, you got a decent return, correct? No, so entry point and exit point, you need a target, no, at least some 2.1.5, 1%, 1.5%, 2%. If you are getting 2% in equity, no, it's a decent return. It's a huge return. You have to exit from there. And we will see what has happened in this Zomato. No? In Zomato, we have drawn a selling imbalance area, previous day closing. No? Previous day closed saying that it may come down. But it's very interesting to see that it has closed opened here, that is 233. I will draw a line over here. If 233 is breaking and closing, no, don't touch this share, because there is a huge quantity, no, selling imbalances in this area, 234 and 233. And if it again closing below the open price, no, it will go down sharply. And for any buying, we need 930 candle to complete, and it will satisfy all the conditions of trade. And 930 candle is this, and it has not, it is with increased volume. Delta is also green, and max delta is also good, but not green color. It's a trade setup that I will disclose it slowly, slowly. And after that, what happened? It has gone up, but we don't have any signal, buy signal, and it was hovering there for 10-15 minutes. And what happened? It is came coming down. Okay, and here there are selling imbalances, two buying imbalance, and against that, a huge quantity has been sold over. And these informations you never get it from candlesticks. How do you know all these things? But if you use this footprint chart, no, you have to draw an imbalance over here. If any candle breaks and close below this imbalance, no, It is a sell. The selling imbalance has taken place here, and the candle closes here down. You see, after that, this close price never broken, and from 237, no, it has gone down drastically, and again it has touched the middle band of this first previous day closing imbalance and gone down sharply. Sorry, and gone down sharply and gone down to breaking the open price and gone down to 230. You will incur 2-3% loss, and we don't have any buy here. And it has not satisfied any of our buy conditions. The whole of the day it was in the green white area only. See, after closing this open price, no, it has gone down very sharply. Don't buy any instrument, any financial instrument, no, trading below open price. That is a basic mantra, especially options. Otherwise, you have to take participation in a pullback rally and all. The pullback rally for equity shares, I haven't made a video, but I have made in Nifty options. Check my previous videos. Check my first video, no, definitely. Because there I have explained what is a footprint chart and what are all the things in this footprint chart, how to draw imbalance areas and all. But we check whether there is any buy in the previous day or anything like that. See, all are white only. I am looking for a green area to come show. No, nothing is there. See, because all these shares are in a declining stage. No? The market is very weak now. That is why. And we will check any. Yeah. Here in this day, what is this day? Wednesday, 19th February, 9:30 candle. We got a buy signal. Where it was, it is here. See, this is 9:15 candle, open candle, and the all the conditions were satisfied over here only. So we will take a position over here, and our stop loss will be here. 223.50 is the stop loss, and 225.20 is the entry price. See, after that, what happened? From 225, it has gone up to 228. 3 point, more than 1.25%. After that, 228. After that, again, it has gone up around 230. And this is the technique of doing intraday trade. And these videos are for purely for academic purpose only. I will empower you independently how you can trade in this market. You have to become an independent trader. No? Don't look at anybody. Believe in the chart. Trade accordingly. And for this, there is a huge study is required. No, how to set up the trade and okay. So for what is an imbalance and all, no, you check my old videos. Where in my first video, the channel has started just 3 days back only, and subscribe my channel and share these videos, no, with your fellow traders, friends and relatives, etc., who are regularly incurring losses only, no, so that they will be empower themselves to do trade independently and make handsome returns. I never say you can make lakhs, crores, and all. At least you will not incur losses if you study carefully all these things. And normally, these characteristic chart no shows only colors red and green. You never know, never will be able to understand what is happening inside these candles. But if we do this chart, no, we can say that there is a selling imbalance over here. And this candle has broken that level. So it is a buy here, 228. If 228 we are buying, 230. But in this candle, there is an entry here, no? 228. This candlestick chart never tell you. Then you have to look for bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Never will be a success. Only 50-50 chance is there. Don't trade with these indicators and all. You will be a loser only. Otherwise, you can use some VWAP or VWAP band, etc. etc. This volume related. Most of other indicators, no, consider only price movement. But here we are considering the actual figures, no? Actual figures. What is the selling pressure and what is the buying pressure? Here, this candle, no, there is a selling imbalance over here, 228, and there is a buying imbalance here. And this selling imbalance were totally beaten down by this green candle. And this is a breakout rally. And if this particular candle, no, having this good volume and out, we can enter here also. But better we have to wait for our entry. We have entered somewhere here before that because all our conditions were satisfied over here only. And what are all the conditions of trade? I have explained very carefully over. See, this share have opened at 220 and we got a buy at 223. Till that time, no, we never have a buy. And it is trading above open price. And that is all for today about intraday trading technique or trading strategy with footprint chart. So subscribe my channel, share this video. I will come up with the more educative videos on equity shares and all. The next video today itself I will give about futures, how to trade stock futures intraday. Okay. Now I am explaining only about two strategy, imbalance plus this delta strategy. And this is important. All the indicators in footprint chart based on this delta, max delta, minimum delta, quartile, quartile. So many informations are there. And this is the cumulative delta. The cumulative delta is very important in equity shares, in equity trading. And this cumulative delta is less important in options trading, intraday. For positional calls, no, we will consider this cumulative delta to a great extent. And I will explain all these things slowly. So subscribe my channel. For the time being, goodbye. I will come up with more videos, more informative videos. Okay? I will educate you and empower you to become a good trader. Trade in your home, comfort, and make some handsome returns. Thank you.